This is my focuser, battery-less powered focuser for my Saga 25-75 power 70mm spotting scope that I use for astronomy. And so it works using a SG92 servo and a standard size servo, and both of these servos have been modified so that they're just geared motors, and there's lots of stuff on the internet that shows how to do that. And so on this one, this is the power, and I just put a yellow wheel on there to turn it with, and I used the wires that the servo came with and just attach them to each other. And so I'll show that. So on the powering servo, which is SG92, I just used a little plastic cap that came from a pump sprayer for alcohol, and it fit nicely on the knob, the focusing knob, and then I attached it to the servo with glue, and then the servo just sits on here, and it's held on with the pressure from a zip tie around the telescope and a little piece of plywood underneath to keep it from turning one direction or the other. And it stays nicely. And then I just turn my, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I turn the servo. My picture's much better. And the other thing I have on here is just a red dot scope on a piece of wood mounted on the tripod, and a homemade counterbalance. And that motor there is just for weight, counterbalance weight.